What is going on, guys? Wow. Words can't even describe how excited I am to finally make this video. So probably been waiting almost a month now for the item to come in for the Mustang, and it's finally here, so we can finally make an unboxing video on this. So I'm probably gonna grab my GoPro and we're gonna do like a point of view unboxing video, just because I'm honestly too excited to film with one hand. So, you know, we're just gonna get right into that. All right, guys, so we got the GoPro on, and let me show you just what we have. It's quite a big box, but see if you can see what that says. We got ourselves a Procharger. Holy crap. Now, I was expecting this to be in like 3 different boxes, but it's just one huge box. And this thing probably weighs like close to 100 pounds, I think it said. But anyways, I am super excited, so we're just gonna get right into unboxing this thing. I haven't really seen anyone on YouTube like do a super in-depth point of view unboxing video with these. I was actually searching for it and could not find it, so let's just see. Hopefully this will be good enough to slice through some of this stuff. It does say to open on this side only, so. Oh, dude, this is great. Hell yeah. Whew. My hands are slightly shaking just because I'm so freaking nervous. Like, beyond excited. Holy crap. Tell you what, though, they did put a lot of damn tape on this thing. All right. All of it's off. First thing's going up. Wonder if we can clear the Mustang. Let's go forward just a little bit. Come on, go. Okay. Oh, more tape, of course. Come on. Woo! Okay, heart's beating. And holy crap, that is a lot of packing paper. All right, so first off, we have the 6-rib belt, I'm assuming. And also, I have like all these microfiber and like towels up here because I'm trying to keep everything extremely clean. You know, up under here is just like wood, so this should keep it clean. And plus, you know, you want your Procharger to be treated with the most respect. You gotta have a little bed for it. All right, so, oh damn, that's gonna annoy me. I might rip that off, but probably not. Okay, so I'm assuming that's the Procharger, so we're gonna leave that for last. All right, holy crap, dude, I'm gonna have so much to throw away. All right. Shit. All right, that looks like stuff. All right, so first off, let's see what this is. Awesome, so that is for the mass airflow sensor. Put that over there. Just make a little pile of stuff. Oh. All right, another tube for the throttle body. Another random tube. I'm probably gonna put all the tubes over there. Oh, damn, this looks like a big tube. Yep. Oh, they're 3.5-inch tubes? Interesting. I was under the impression that they were 3-inch. All right, what is this? Ah, okay, so this is our quote-unquote blow-off valve / bypass valve. Interesting. Oh, it comes with a little filter? That's weird. Okay. Okay, whatever. We'll put that away. Okay, let's keep on unboxing. This is like Christmas. So like my birthday is in a couple days. So this is basically like Christmas and birthday all put together. It's kind of cool. Another tube. Don't really care about that. More tubes. Holy crap, dude. There are a lot of tubes. That's big. Keep on going with these. I have a feeling that all the ones in the brown bags are just tubes. At least they're metal, like that. At least they're all quality tubes. That one feels like plastic, but pretty quality stuff. And I love how Procharger like individually wraps everything. Oh wow, that was definitely nice. Definitely nice packaging. I will say that. I mean, but what else do you expect from a kit that costs, you know, $5,800? Since, you know, I got the tuner kit, since we did fuel injectors on that, you know, I got my own separate 47-pound fuel injectors, and then we got a Dishworks fuel pump that I have already made videos on. And if you have not already seen those, then you should definitely go check those out. Whoa, splice connector. Okay, whatever. Don't know what that goes to. Oh. What is this? Mach 1 scoop. Oh, so that like goes into the scoop right there? Okay. Weird. All right. Ah, air filter. That's light. I kind of want to open that up. Now I'm assuming this is the air filter that is going to go onto the actual Procharger where it goes right there. I'm assuming that's going to be, that's kind of small. I don't know. We'll see if we want to upgrade that eventually, but I'm trying to make more space. We'll just put it there. Ooh. All right. So next, damn it. Okay, that one felt heavy. Oil. So we got 3 bottles of 6-ounce oil. This is an extra dipstick gasket supplied in case you lose the original. Oh, thanks. It's really nice because I lose shit all the time. So, fine. We'll start filling up the table's already filling up fast just from all the damn piping. So, oh, what the hell is this? I hope it's okay if it goes like this. Let's see. Whoa. Okay, so this is all of our rubber hoses, flex tubes. Don't quite, those almost look like gaskets. And then we got, holy shit, that is a ton of hose clamps. Oh my God. Okay. Holy crap. I think we definitely have our work cut out for us on this. I can tell you that. So, let's see, next one. More hoses, coolant hoses, I'm guessing. Yep. So this is for rerouting the coolant hoses. Cool. Those right there. These feel like more hoses. This is for the coolant crossover. I have already looked at the instructions a little bit, so this one is going to, I think, go in a top shape instead of where the factory one comes out like this. So it's going to go over the alternator instead of in front of it. Put that there. Holy crap, look at that mountain. What is this? Oh, so they give you like 3 extra Supercharger oil bottles. Cool. Hell yeah. Oh God. Oh God. Okay. Let's try not to drop anything. This kit's really pretty and I really don't want to drop it. Okay, so miscellaneous bag. Wow, that really tells me a lot. So that's spacers. Assuming for the hood scoop. Wow. So that's the actual bracket for the Procharger. I don't know which way it goes. I mean, I have no idea. I have no idea. Dude, there's so much that goes into this kit. What is that? Oh well. Okay, we'll figure all this out whenever we do the installation. So I gotta make room for the actual Procharger itself. So I'm just gonna have to start like putting some of this stuff over here. Like, holy crap. Okay. And what is this? Hose clamps, coolant reservoir support rod. Oh, wire ties. Hell yeah. You know, every project car needs some good old zip ties. So thanks, Procharger. You know, I was running low from all the other stuff that I've done on this thing. So thank you. All right, nothing in there. And so these are our last two big items. Oh, okay. Oh my God, where's the little knife? Did we lose? Did I lose the knife? I think I lost, actually, wait. No, I definitely just lost the knife. Okay, whatever, we got scissors. All right, open this bad boy up. More, of course. Procharger, you love your tape, don't you? And look at that. Oh, dude. It's getting real. Look, it even says Procharger right there. You can't see from the bubble wrap, but holy crap. Dude, that's gonna look sick on the front of this car. I'm probably gonna run without a bumper for a while, just to show off this thing. This thing is gorgeous. And I'll probably end up taking it out of the bubble wrap later, but for right now, just put the thing right there. And then we'll just kind of yeet that over there. All right, guys. So here's the moment we've all been waiting for. Now, is that a D? Because, you know, I got the D1-SC. I feel like it is. I feel like it is. But anyways, guys, here we go. Oh, of course, there's more. Holy crap. Dude, how do you even get this out of here? This thing is huge. Dude, this is way bigger than I thought. What in the hell? Oh my God, dude, I can't even get out of this block. Oh. Dude, guys, what in the hell, man? That's freaking huge. This is so heavy. Oh my God, warning, add oil before. Yeah, don't worry, I'll definitely add oil to this thing, but holy shit. I did not expect this thing to be that big. Whoa. Oh, that's so cool. I mean, dude. What the fuck? Yo, the Mustang is getting Procharged. And wow, I gotta put this thing down. Whew. Now guys, this is the D1sc blower. I didn't want to just get the P1sc because whenever this motor finally does decide to blow, you know, it's all stock. I want to be able to get a new motor in there with forged internals and really crank up the boost. So I went ahead and got the upgraded blower instead of, you know, just running with the P1sc and then having to upgrade my blower later. So, dude, this thing is insane. Holy crap. I am so damn excited. Like, let's check out this. The serial tag must face up. So it's gonna go, it's gonna be up in there just like this. Oh, that's so cool. I really hope that y'all can see this good because damn, this is so cool. Model number D1sc. Oh my God. All right, guys, so I'm gonna be making installation videos on this Procharger, like step by step, just about. I don't know about exactly like 100% step by step, but for the most part, I'm gonna be including most of the stuff. You know, there's a lot of stuff in this kit, so but definitely like the stuff that I have to change and modify. You know, I've already read a lot of stuff about this, and you have to modify like the power steering cooler. You know, you got to modify some of the stuff over here, and there's still some other things that I'm changing up, like my mass airflow sensor. I'm not gonna do what the Procharger kit says, and we're gonna kind of get into that, but I'm gonna be kind of modifying my own mass airflow sensor. But yeah, we're basically just gonna get into that in a later video. So pretty much that's it. Like, that's all, guys. Holy crap. Wow. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more. I'm going to hopefully have these install videos starting to be cranked out in probably a week or so. Holy crap. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. See ya.